Hi guys, my name is Mayank and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to talk about some things which I have experienced with the UI, the user interface of Instagram, and I wanted to share in this video. These are some typical, some kind of strange things which I have noticed, and these are also maybe the reasons why I have used Instagram very less in the past few months. The first thing that I want to inform or I noticed is about posting links in Instagram. So if you are a new person on Instagram, if you have just started using it, there is really very less area for you to post a link in Instagram. You can only post a link in your bio, which is in your Twitter, in your Instagram profile. If you have, I think, more than 10,000 followers, then you can also put the link in the stories, the swipe up videos, but that is pretty much it. You cannot post links in the captions of your posts, not in the comment section. So Instagram just makes it very difficult for you to leave the app and go to someplace else, which is why I think they have implemented this feature. The next thing which I noticed was the Instagram browser. So you might have seen that many websites and many other apps, they have their own browser. For example, if you open Twitter, Twitter has its own browser. If you open Reddit, Reddit has its own browser. And the same thing applies for Instagram as well. But in case of Instagram, I think I noticed a specific peculiar thing, which is that once you open the browser of Instagram, it is a separate browser, so it does not have any of your login information. And even if you have opened the browser, you are still inside the app. Once you close the browser, it brings you back to the app. This browser does not have any of your sign-in information. This browser does not have any of your passwords, nothing. So you are again stuck inside the Instagram app. You have not yet left the app. So again, it makes it difficult for you to stop using Instagram. The next thing I want to talk about is Instagram Reels. So Instagram Reels, I think came last year, or I think last year, yeah. So the one thing first of all I noticed when Instagram Reels came out is that most of these social media giants, I think they are owned by Facebook only, but they are very insecure. So once they see some kind of other app or other website become famous or become popular, they instantly become insecure and they try to copy that thing. Now Instagram saw that TikTok was very popular and they copied it and they made it into the Reels, and they just implemented it inside their app. And because of this, I think the whole UI of Instagram changed. They had to put the Reels below in the area where they have all the other options. So they had to push the upload button, which was previously at the bottom. Now they pushed it at the top. So they just changed the whole UI of it. I didn't like it at all. One of the reasons I also stopped using the app. The next thing which I want to talk about is Instagram, using Instagram on your desktop or on your laptop. So again, it is very difficult to do it. Obviously, it is not a website. It is made for mobile use. And even if you open it on your laptop, it is very difficult to use. It's very difficult for you to post content, and it's not overall a good experience, which is why they want you to use it on the mobile, so that you just keep scrolling, and that you become addicted to the app. That's one of the things which they want to do it. The last thing which I want to talk about is specifically for content, for people who create content on Instagram. Like you might have noticed this thing on YouTube, like you can search for a specific content on YouTube. For example, if you search for how to get the perfect shot on your camera, this is a particular search item, this is a particular search query, and you can search for it on YouTube and you will find specific videos on it. You cannot do that on Instagram. You can only search for accounts or hashtags. You cannot look for a specific content. Again, this is something unique on Instagram. This means that even if a person has created some good content, he will not be discovered on Instagram unless he is very popular, because people will only search for popular other people on Instagram. For example, celebrities or sports persons or politicians. No one is going to search for you because you are not popular on Instagram. So even if you create good content, you cannot be discovered. So these are just some of the things which I have noticed in the UI of Instagram. I don't particularly like Instagram as a social media platform, which is why I use it very, very rarely in the first place. And you might want to again think about it as well. And that's all I had for today's video. I hope you found something useful from it. This was a different kind of video, so I hope it was useful to you. And if you liked it, please press the like button. And that's all I had for today's video. I will see you guys next week. Thank you for watching.